Most houses nowadays have stud walls inside them, which is this type of construction, which is plasterboard over a wooden frame. So as you can see there, that's how most of our walls are made nowadays, and then there's a skim of plaster over the top, which is absolutely fine. But if you want to do any work or hang anything on your walls, you need special fixings, because obviously a plasterboard is not as strong as going into brick or something like that. A lot of fixings on the market. This is a really clever innovation from Forgefix, that are absolute leaders in the field of fixings, from screws, timber fixings, decking and plasterboard fixings. They're real innovators in this category. This is a very, very neat set. I like this because they're all contained, everything you need is contained in this little box, which will store neatly wherever you go. Now, you've got 200 professional plasterboard fixings in here. You open it up and here you go. Okay, these are all metal. There's a lot of cheap ones on the market and they're not all the same. They might look similar, but they're not. So I'm just going to take you through this. Straight away, you've got a nice sharp point which pierces the board nice and quickly, and then it makes what you've got there, you've got the cutting edge there, makes the hole, and then you've got a very coarse thread. Now the coarse thread means that the fixing is not going to pull out of the plasterboard. It gives you a firmer hold with it. Okay. One real key feature which I think is unique to this one is the top there. I don't know if you can come in on that. It's concave. It's the first one I've ever seen that's concave. And where that is so I'll show you what the benefit of that is in a little while. How these work, you've got 200. This bit goes into the plasterboard, and then you put your screw in there and screw it down, and you can either hang a picture, or if you're screwing something to the wall, you just screw it and you fix it straight in there. So I'm going to show you how that works. Nice feature with this set, comes with a good quality screwdriver to put the fixing in, so there's everything you need. You don't get the fixing and then can't find a screwdriver. And I said it's all in a neat carry case. So let's just show you how these work, because it's as simple as anything. So I want to put a fixing in there. Okay. Just push. I'm doing this one-handed. I'm doing it really slowly. As you can see, it's just working its way through. It's really no effort. Then it goes through, and then you just let the fixing do the work. You can see it's cutting its own thread, and then away you go, and and that's where you are. So then you put whatever you want in as a fixing, and then these just screw whatever you want to the wall. They cut their own thread, and it's a lovely, firm, metal, sturdy fixing. And there you go. And that's basically all there is to it. Let's just undo that one. Now, I mentioned a little bit earlier on where I thought it was an absolute massive benefit with this concave arrangement. Well, rather than have a load of fixings stuck everywhere, once you're done and you want to move things, or you want to move a picture or anything, you end up with a load of fixings sticking proud on your wall. With the concave one, you can just fill straight over and you're ready to go. Nice and easy. As you can see, I'm just going to try and scrape everything off. You can see in the centre there that the concave has filled it, light sand, and you're ready to decorate over it, rather than having to take old fixings out and fill holes and everything. So there you have it, a great bit of clever thinking, clever packaging, and a fixing solution from Forgefix.